Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about English articles. Articles are a small but very important part of English. In English, there are three articles: a, an, and the. Articles show if a noun is specific or general. Let's start with the indefinite articles a and an. We use a or an when we talk about something in general, or when we mention something for the first time. A and an are used only with singular countable nouns. Use a before a consonant sound. For example, a book, a car, a university. The word university starts with a vowel letter, but it starts with a consonant sound. Use an before a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an hour. The letter H is not pronounced. Now let's see when we use a and we use a or an at the first mention. I saw a dog. We use a or an with professions. She is a teacher. Now let's talk about the definite article. The. We use the when we talk about something specific or something already know. I saw a dog. The dog was black. We use the with unique things. The sun, the moon. We also use the with musical instruments. Play the guitar. Sometimes we use no article at all. This called the zero article. We use the zero article with uncountable nouns. For example, water, information. We also use no article with plural nouns in general. I like apples. Articles need practice. Don't worry about mistakes. The more you practice, the better you will get. Thank you for watching. See you next time.